what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, I am Rosemary and I am 19 years old.
Naglibog siya siyang age, whether she's 19 or whether she proceeds into 20.
Next week will be next month will be 20.
Okay, happy birthday! Okay. Can you please give me 5 things that you like about Filipino?
5 things I like about Filipinos is Filipinos are hospitable. They honor their ancestors. Filipinos appreciate and preserve culture and Filipino cuisines. I also love Filipino cuisines. And lastly, Filipinos are into bayanihan, which we are known for.
Okay. Can you give me 5 things that you don't like about Filipino?
5 things that I don't like about Filipinos is the crab mentality. Next is sometimes it is toxic na the the hiya mindset ba in which like if kinsa pa to ang giutangan mao pay mauwaw maningil.
Okay, so basically you said that whoever was the indebted on you, and you're the one who's shy to collect their
Yeah,
payment.
yeah.
Okay, what else?
The third one is Filipinos are tend to have this mindset na when they they saw someone who is like thriving in life, they will some will like create stories na dili jud tinuod or stories na kanang will ruin the life or the reputation of the ones striving for its life.
Okay. So can you please give me 5 things that you like about foreigners?
5 things I like about foreigners is first, they love Filipinos, especially Filipinas.
Yeah.
Second is their curiosity about the culture of the Filipinos. Third is I love to see foreigners engaging themselves into the culture of the Philippines. Fourth is sometimes foreigners are the ones who promote the beauty of the Philippines or the tourist spot of the Philippines, where in fact some of the foreigners who come here in the Philippines are the ones who discovered unique places here in the Philippines.
Okay.
Fifth is I think some of their cultures, since like the foreigners have their mindset or their mindset. I mean that they don't care on other people's lives. Like if nanikamot ang usa is kanang malipay sila for them.
Okay. Give me 5 things that you don't like about foreigners.
5 things I don't like about foreigners. I think I don't have 5.
Okay, but what you call the one that you mostly heard around people, because sometimes they tell you
Yeah.
what they don't like about.
Yeah, they're sometimes their humor.
Yeah.
Next is in related um, to the recent Sinulog Festival 2025. I saw some foreigners like walking on the center of the contingents wherein the contingents are still dancing and they pass by sa tunga sa kuan, which
Right.
is for me is it is a disrespect sa culture sa Cebuanos.
Yeah.
And I think that's all.
Okay. Which which you prefer to date? A smart guy or a guy with a great sense of humor?
I would love to date a guy who have a high sense of humor.
Wow.
Um, I believe that it is not necessary to date a smart guy because sometimes smart people tend to prove that their opinions are the ones right. And the other opinions that is contrast sa ilang opinion is the one's wrong. And I believe having someone who have a high emotional intelligence, having someone who tend to get along with their humor or kan get along nimo is such a blessing.
Yeah.
Someone who will appreciate you for who you are and someone who will accept your opinions and like kanang the two of you will have a shared opinion on how are you two going to like have in life.
Okay. How many children would you plan on having in the future?
Actually, I don't have
You don't
any
have
plan
any
to
plan?
have a children.
So, but in the future, just because every time we change our perspectives and opinions in life.
Maybe two,
Two.
two or three.
Okay. So, how would you feel about if they are cheating with you?
I really hate cheating,
Mm-hmm.
and I've been into a relationship wherein my partner cheated on me. Um, for me, pinaka-difficult siya na face sa life
Alright.
in which you will question your self-worth, like mawala ang self-respect,
Okay.
maka-feel ka na wala na kay respeto sa imong kaugalingon is because kanang imong gilat na imong partner na mag-cheat sa imuha behind your back.
Yeah, but it's not your choice that he cheated, right? It's not your decision. It's this.
Yeah, but dili man jud na nato malikan if you were the one into the situation na maka-feel ka na nawala imong respect sa imong kaugalingon.
Okay. So you will lose respect for yourself because he's cheating on you. That's what you feel. That's not nice to feel about that. It's his
Like
choice. So you will confront him if he's cheating on you. You will talk to him about that, about the matters, or you just let him go.
Based
Walk
on
away.
experience, I
Yeah.
just walk away and let him
Mm-hmm.
and wala siya na hear any words from me.
Okay. So you didn't forgive him, and you didn't forget.
I didn't forgive him and I will definitely not forget.
How about you? What do you think about foreigners?
I think about foreigners or in my perspective, foreigners are another like kind of people na katong na ganina na sometimes foreigners are the ones gani nga maka discover sa unique places
Yeah.
sa atong lugar. Foreigners are just like us. Exploring, discovering things. They're just normal people. They are far different from what other people see about them.
Okay, so you think foreigner has much more money?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. Okay, so do you think foreigners are nice?
Yes, some of them are nice, but we can't deny the fact that there are still foreigners who are not nice or people has different attitudes man. So, lagi tala and lain na batasan.
So do you think foreigners are much more smarter and wiser?
I don't think
Brad,
so.
no, Brad.
It is because sometimes they are tend to like Filipinos are tend to trick them.
Mm-hmm.
In which I am not saying Hana foreigners are dumb for that,
Yes.
but if they are way smarter and wiser, if they claim that they are way smarter and wiser than Filipinos, then why does other foreigners kay matric sila from Filipinos? Mabiktima sa mga
Yeah, that's true. So if they think you're much wiser, they always the victim of.
yeah.
Only the minority of the Filipinos do that, but they also get tricked, right?
Yeah.
So, do you hear things about foreigners are players and cheaters?
Yes, I heard some,
Mm-hmm.
but I think like what I have said, foreigners are also humans.
Yeah.
They explore, they discover things, and they also do mistakes.
Okay. So, do you think foreigners are very strict or they are more understanding with more laid back approach to life?
For that question, I don't have any experience with the foreigners or
Mhm.
any. I have interactions with them, but
Yeah.
I don't have any experience with them, being with them.
Yeah.
But I believe, like what I have said,
Mhm.
every people has different attitudes. Lain-lain batasan ng lain-lain na mga tao, and we should not do stereotyping when it comes to that strict thing.
Okay. For example, you're married to a foreigner. Would you live here in the Philippines with him or would you live in his country?
If it would be better for us to live in his country,
Why?
for him, if it would be good for us to live in his country, because maybe he's doing life there, or your work is there. So I would love to go with him. But if at all cost, I would love to stay here in the Philippines with my family.
For example, you're dating a guy and you like that guy, but the problem is you have different beliefs. For example, religion. So, would it bother you or would you accept that he has a different beliefs in life?
I believe if I really love that person, I would accept his beliefs in life, his religions, and maybe respect should be on top or in the front line of our relationship. Like respect for each other's religion, respect for each other's beliefs, in order for us to understand ourselves.
So, for example, he is a Muslim guy. Would you prefer to convert his religion or not?
Um, I believe he has all the right to choose whatever he wants for himself, whatever maybe it may be for dress code, his beliefs in life. So I would respect him if di siya gusto mo convert,
Yes.
and but I would love to if gusto siya mo convert into my religion.
And you are open for that
Yes,
conversion?
and I am open for that.
Okay. So, which one would you prefer to date? A tall man or a short?
I would prefer to date a tall man.
Oh,
Siyempre,
how tall?
mas taas na.
Yeah. How tall are you?
I am 5'2", so
Okay.
maybe a 5'4" guy, 5'5".
Okay. How about 6'2", 6'2", or 6'4"?
Isungkod naman ko ana. Ay. Ko ana lang if unsa ihatag ni God.
Whatever God's plan. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.